Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Whoop easy guide step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Whoop device and gathering all the components. Make sure you have the Whoop strap, charging cable, and your smartphone ready. Download the Whoop app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and set up your profile. Once logged in, tap on Get Started to begin the pairing process. Turn on your Whoop strap by pressing the button on the side. Ensure your smartphone's Bluetooth is enabled to detect the device. Select your Whoop strap from the list of available devices in the app. Follow any further on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. After pairing, you might need to update the strap's software if prompted. Once updated, the app will guide you to set your heart rate and activity preferences. Now, position the Whoop strap snugly on your wrist or upper arm for optimal readings. Charge your Whoop strap using the provided charging cable before your first use. After charging, wear your Whoop strap continuously for at least 24 hours for accurate data collection. Explore the app interface to familiarize yourself with its features and functionalities. Adjust your notifications and settings according to your personal preferences. You're now all set to start tracking your performance and recovery with Whoop. Remember to regularly check the app for if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.